Back with some more Minecraft. And this is episode 3, series 2. Again, it's the same date that I recorded the first one. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Again. Doesn't matter as long as we get these videos out.
Yeah.
Me and my brother are working hard to get them good.
You should say thank you for the previous so we can rebuild it with slime.
Now our world's gonna look a lot better. And if we have no slime left, then I'm just gonna cheat us in some more. AKA creative. That's what I always use when I say cheat. I mean creative. That's just a little tip. Boing. Yoo-hoo! It's so fun!
Boing, 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 boing.
I'm gonna build like some kind of diving board. What blocks do we have? I'm just gonna put this in my crafting area. Boink. Do you think I should build this in creative? Yeah, I think I should, so I can make it like 1,000,000 feet up, right?
That's gonna be a ladder.
Yep, there's a ladder. Then there's a diving board. I just need to try it, see if you can do this in survival and land on the slime. Okay, so if you land there, then you should be able to sprint, jump off it, and still land on the slime, right? Nope. I'll make our trampoline a bit bigger and using creative.
You mean cheating?
Yeah, I just told everyone I mean creative whenever I say cheat.
Cheat code. Cheat code.
Yeah, there's no such thing as cheat codes in Minecraft.
Doing. Does mean creative? No, try it whenever you say try. I won't
No, I'll try it.
What?
You won't build anything?
No, I'll just try it when you say try it.
Or I can just allow you to fly.
Yeah, just allow me to fly.
Because I don't believe you.
Okay, so we're going up.
If you die, I'll just teleport you to me.
Ooh, my heart.
I should have named the cookies Pauline, right?
Let me regenerate first, just in case.
I made our trampoline bigger because I couldn't do the jump with sprinting. I'll try it then, if you're going to regenerate.
Whoa! Boing!
Yeah, bad idea. I was about to say, yeah, bad idea. Maybe we could also make like some kind of water pool in survival. Once we get the materials too, right?
Yeah, we'll need 3 pieces of iron. It's a bad. We need to make a bucket.
Yeah, and we also need to get pickaxes and stuff so we can start going mining sometime.
What's gonna happen when I train the office?
I'm turning off flying once you get up there.
Watch this. Watch what's gonna happen when I jump down. Cookies,
Oh, yeah, cookies. Look, everyone's a cookie.
Like, cookies.
You're getting our bouncy pool dirty. You're getting it dirty. Okay, now where's the crafting table so I can break it?
Break what?
Do you have the crafting table? Because I need to move it.
Nope.
Fine, I'll just make my own.
Cheat one out.
I'll just grab the full 4 wood back by cheating it. What are you doing?
Making it look better.
Well, that doesn't look better.
Please crafting table. That was fun.
Done. Oh yeah, we need to build like some kind of house. What? Why did you leave?
Well, it's just... Yeah.
Why?
I don't like that one.
Okay guys, we're continuing by ourselves, that means.
You know we had a dog to
Oi!
down your Enderman.
Take it from him.
See? Here's Enderman.
Well, next time, smack him in the head.
No, Mommy does that. That's my man and they'll bring it. I figured it. Oh, it's not like. Nope, I cracked it.
Okay guys, give me a second. Now that's done. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end it there. I know this video is short a bit, sorta. But yeah, it's just how the videos are on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed a lot. Please do consider subscribing to join Team Jacuzzi. Again, I just love that joke. Oh my god, run! Spider! Spider! Spider-Man's chasing me!
It's always Jacuzzi.
And we will see you next time. Give me a second. Goodbye.